Hello, my name is Ash, a counselor in training. This is my Relatable study podcast for individuals who need help studying for their NCE, CPCE, and other related counseling exams. I'm going to go through many questions from multiple resources and make the answers relatable to both you and me. So get your listening ears on and let's get studying. A counselor is told by his supervisor to measure the internal consistency, reliability of a test, but not to divide the test in halves. The counselor would need to utilize A, the split half method, B, the test-retest method, C, the Cooter-Richardson coefficients of equivalence, D, cross-validation. The answer is C. The counselor would need to utilize the Cooter-Richardson coefficients of equivalence. This is a measure of internal consistency for reliability with the measure for dichotomous choices. Please do more research on this because there is a lot of information regarding the Cooter-Richardson coefficients of equivalence, and I am not sure I can effectively explain this to you. What is somnambulism? Somnambulism is a sleep disorder involving walking or performing activities while asleep. This is also known as sleepwalking. It is more common in children than adults. A few symptoms of sleepwalking is lack of coordination, limited awareness, lack of memory, dream acting, and sleep eating. Refer to the DSM-5 TR for more information about sleepwalking because I'm having a hard time pronouncing this word. What did John Locke believe about the human brain? John Locke held a more empiricistic viewpoint, and he believed that the human brain absorbs environmental events and the sensory inputs from its surrounding as an effect to form meaning and knowledge, and to study only nature and the environment to unlock a person's mental health needs. Locke's empiric theories evolved into behavior therapy and behavioral counseling. What is somnolence? Somnolence is a state of drowsiness or a strong desire for sleep. Somnolence is feeling tired and wanting to fall asleep throughout the day, and some symptoms may make an individual nod off when they do not want to. For example, when you should be paying attention during a lecture or meeting, you tend to get drowsy and start nodding off. Some symptoms include yawning, having trouble focusing or concentrating, staying present or alert, reacting slower, and difficulty making decisions, remembering, or learning new things. A conflict has escalated in a therapy group. One member expressed to another, "Proudly monetize every session with your criticisms. Who are you to be so judgmental? We would be better off without you." The other members signal agreement. What boundary disturbance is demonstrated in this statement? A. Introspection. B. Congruence. C. Deflecting. D. Projection. The answer is D. Projection is demonstrated by this statement, by this member, because they may be experiencing something outside of the therapy group and is targeting another individual and projecting those thoughts and feelings towards them. Projection is the process of displaying one's feelings onto a different person, object, or animal. That is all 5 questions for this episode. Thank you for listening. Keep calm and study on.